Hello friends, this is C. Ojas Mehta from Sarthak Tutorials. Continuing the chapter number 2 of statistics, linear correlation. We had completed topic up to rank correlation. Rank correlation was given by Charles Spearmen, and it was a correlation which can be used to find out correlation between two variables which are qualitative in nature. Which are qualitative in nature means those variables which cannot be expressed in numbers. Now if we want to find correlation of it, then we are required to use what? Charles Spearman correlation coefficient. What was its formula? Its formula was something like this: R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1, where d is equal to what? Rx minus ry, and n is what? Number of observation. Okay friends, continuing the same topic, illustration number 20. To know the relation between the abilities of the students of a school in the subject of statistics and accountancy, the teacher of both the subjects have taken a sample of 8 students and the following information was collected. So marks in statistics is X and marks in accountancy is Y, and marks of 8 students are given: 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, and 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 55. Okay friends, now calculate the rank correlation coefficient between the marks of statistics and marks of accountancy. We are required to find what? Rank correlation. Now see friends, in this question marks of students are given. First of all, we are required to give rank to that. Means from X we will get rank of X, that is Rx, and from Y we will get rank of Y, that is Ry. Now first rank will be given to the observation which is having maximum value. Now see, the maximum value koi chhe? I can say 98. So rank 1 will be given to 98. After 98, what it is? 90. So rank 2 will be given to 90. After 90, the next highest observation is what? 82. So 3. After 82, 78, 4. After 78, 75, rank 5. Rank 1 વધતો જશે, બરાબર? After 75, it is what? 62. It is rank 6. After 62, it is what? 36, 7. And last rank is for what? 25, 8. Okay friends, now in a similar manner for Y, આમાં highest observation કયું છે? 91. So rank 1 will be given to 91. Next highest 86, 2. Next highest 84, 3. After 84, I can say it is 68. So it is rank 4. After 68, 62, rank 5. After that 60, rank 6. Then 55, rank 7. And then 51, rank 8. So we had given the ranks of all the different observations. Now we are required to find D. D is equal to what? Rx minus Ry. 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 8, minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 8 minus 6, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 6 minus 7, minus 1. मैं તમને કીધું હતું સિગ્મા d નો આન્સર કેટલો આવશે 0. સી -1 +1 કેન્સલ, +2 -2 કેન્સલ, +1 -1 cancel. Okay, now the last thing that we are required to find is what? D square. 1 square 1, 1, 0, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4, 0, 1. Now 4 plus 1 5, 6, 6 plus 4 10, 11, 12. So over here it will be what? 12. Now R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square. Sigma d square is how much? 12. So 12 divided by n. N was 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 8 square 64 minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 12 divided by 8 into 63. 1 minus. Now 6 into 12 divided by 8 divided by 63. It is 0.1429 minus 1. So our answer is 0.8571. So R is equal to 0.86. And answer of R is closer to +1. So we can say there is high degree of positive correlation between X and Y. But it is which correlation? Rank correlation. तो આ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ફ્રેન્ડ્સ એ લોકોએ રેન્ક રેડીમેડ નતા આપ્યા, આપણે પેલા ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન માંથી શું આપવા પડ્યા? રેન્ક્સ. And from the ranks we had find difference and then difference square. બરાબર છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ? વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે નોટ કરી લેજો. નેક્સ્ટ સમ આવી ટાઈપનો આપણે બીજો કરીએ. Okay friends, moving to next question. હવે next question માં friends આપણે આવી જ રીતે ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન ને પેલા રેન્ક આપવાના છે અને રેન્ક આપીને રેન્ક કોરિલેશન ગોતવાનું છે, પણ એમાં ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન વચ્ચે ટાઈ છે. ટાઈ એટલે કે સેમ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન જ્યારે રિપીટ થાય ત્યારે એને શું કહેવાય? ટાઈ કહેવાય. હવે જ્યારે પણ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન રિપીટ થશે ત્યારે રેન્ક કોરિલેશન નો ફોર્મ્યુલા શું થઈ જશે? તો જો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square plus CF divided by n into n square minus 1. અને CF નો મતલબ શું થાય ફ્રેન્ડ્સ? Then CF is equal to sigma n cube minus m divided by 12. Sigma m cube minus m divided by 12, where m is what? Number of observations repeated. Number of times a particular observation is repeated. That is what? m. હવે કેવી રીતે થશે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ? તો જો ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન 21 માં એ લોકોએ એમ કીધું છે કે find rank correlation for question of illustration 5. અને illustration 5 નો ક્વેશ્ચન આમ છે: the following information is collected by taking a sample of 7 candidates having nearly same intellectual ability to know the effect of last day's preparation for a competitive exam of general knowledge on the result of examination. એટલે X જે છે it is reading hours of last 3 days in hours 25, 38, 30, 28, 34, 40, 36 and marks obtained in exam 65, 75, 68, 70, 72, 79, 75 બરાબર ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. હવે આમાં આપણે રેન્ક કોરિલેશન કેવી રીતે કરશું તો સમજો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. RX સૌથી ફર્સ્ટ રેન્ક અપાશે હાઈએસ્ટ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન. આ બધામાંથી હાઈએસ્ટ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન કયો છે 40 તો એને આપીએ આપણે રેન્ક 1. 40 પછી 38 રેન્ક 2 પછી 36 રેન્ક 3 પછી 34 રેન્ક 4 પછી 30 રેન્ક 5 પછી 28 રેન્ક 6 અને પછી 25 રેન્ક 7. તો આમાં કોઈ પણ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન રિપીટ થતો ન હતો એટલે આપણે ડાયરેક્ટલી એને હાઈએસ્ટ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન ને રેન્ક 1 આપ્યો અને પછી ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન જેમ જેમ ઓછા થતા ગયા તેમ તેમ એનો નેક્સ્ટ રેન્ક એને આપતા ગયા. હવે જોજો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ RY હાઈએસ્ટ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન ઇઝ 79. 79 ને રેન્ક 1. નાઉ નેક્સ્ટ હાઈએસ્ટ ઇઝ 75 પણ 75 બે વખત છે. સરખી રીતે સમજો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. 75 is given 2 times. Now we have already allotted rank 1 to 79. Observation 79 ને આપણે rank 1 આપી દીધો. હવે નેક્સ્ટ કયો રેન્ક આપવાનો છે સેકન્ડ. તો સમજો સેકન્ડ રેન્ક 75 ને થર્ડ રેન્ક 75 ને તો સેકન્ડ રેન્ક પ્લસ થર્ડ રેન્ક ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 2. 2 શું કામ? કારણ કે 75 કેટલી વાર આવ્યો? બે વાર. એટલે 2 + 3 by 2. તો આનો આન્સર શું આવશે? 2.5. As a result, I will write 2.5 over here and 2.5 over here. ફરીથી સમજો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. 79 ને આપણે રેન્ક 1 આપ્યો. Next is rank 2 to 75 and then again rank 3 to 75. So there are two observations 75 અને બે observation ના next બે rank કયા આવે? Second અને third. So what I have done? Second rank plus third rank divided by 2. That is equal to what? 2.5. So 2.5 rank આપ્યો. હવે મેં second ને third rank આપી દીધા. Next observation ને કયો rank અપાશે? Fourth rank. Correct. તો 75 પછી આવે છે 72 4 70 5 68 6 65 7 બરાબર છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. ઓકે નાઉ કોમન ડિફરન્સ D RX minus RY 7 minus 7 0 2 minus 2.5 minus 0.5 5 minus 6 minus 1 6 minus 5 plus 1 4 minus 4 0 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 2.5 0.5. Now making the total of this is what? 0. Sigma D is equal to 0. Now D square 0 square 0 minus 0.5 square 0.25 minus 1 square 1 1 square again 1 0 0 0.25. Total of this 2.50. This is what? Sigma D square. Okay friends. Now what is the formula? R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square. ये આપણને મળી ગયું 2.5. but we are required to find what? CF. Now how to find CF? CF is what? Sigma n cube minus m divided by 12, and m is what? Number of times a particular observation is repeated. Now see, calculation of CF. Calculation of CF, observation, number of times repeated, and then n cube minus m divided by 12. Now which observation was repeated? 75. So 75. Number of times 1 and 2. So it is 2. Now here m is equal to 2. So what we will do? 2 cube minus 2 divided by 12. Now see, 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 2, 6. So numerator is 6. 6 divided by 12. So I can say it is 0.50. ફરીથી એક વખત જો friends, m is equal to 2. Why? Because 75 has been repeated how many times? 2 times. So 2 cube, I can say it is 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 divided by 12, 0.5. હવે આ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ખાલી એક જ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન રિપીટ હતો. સો ટોટલ will be what? Sigma, it will be what? CF is equal to, total will be 0.5. Okay, now applying the formula, R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus CF divided by n into n square minus 1. Now 1 minus 6 into sigma d square 2.5 plus CF. CF is how much? 0.50 divided by n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square 49. 49 minus 1, 48. 1 minus 6 into 2.5 plus 0.5. I can say 3 divided by 7 into 48 is equal to 1 minus. Now 6 into 3 divided by 7 divided by 48. So my answer is 0.0536. 6 into 3 divided by 7 divided by 48. Correct. Okay. So R is equal to 1 minus 0.536. My answer is 0.9464. Round off करिए तो 0.95. And 0.95 is what? Closer to plus 1. Therefore, there exists high degree of positive correlation between x and y. બરાબર છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ? સમજાણું? નોટ ડાઉન કરી લો. આવી ટાઈપનો હજી એક ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે કરશું. Okay friends, moving to next question, illustration 22. To know the relation between understanding of students in the subject of economics and their dancing skill, a sample of 8 students is taken and a test is conducted for them. The marks obtained are given below. Find rank correlation between the marks obtained in two subjects. Marks in economics, they're given 60, 30, 10, 20, 30, 50, 30 and 40. Marks in dancing skill, 80, 20, 60, 40, 12, 28, 20 and 15. Now we are required to find rank correlation, and if any observation will be repeated, then my formula will be what? 1 minus 6 into sigma d square plus cf divided by n into n square minus 1, where cf is equal to what? Sigma n cube minus m divided by 12, and m is equal to number of observation repeated, number of times a particular observation is repeated. Okay friends, તો સૌથી પહેલા અહીંયા કને આપણું કામ છે રેન્ક આપવાનું, rx ry. Now highest observation in this is what? 60. Okay, rank 1. 60 પછી 50, rank 2. 50 પછી 40, rank 3. Now next highest is what? 30. But 30 is not one time, not two times, but it is 3 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 rank is given. Now rank 4, 5 and 6. So what we will do? 4th rank plus 5th rank plus 6th rank divided by 3. Why 3? કારણ કે 3 વખત repeat થયું 30. So 4th plus 5th plus 6th divided by 3. આનો આન્સર આવશે 5. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15 by 3. So it is what? 5. તો આ બધામાં rank કયો આવશે? 5, 5, 5. ફરીથી એક વખત સમજજો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. થર્ડ રેન્ક 40 સુધી આવી ગયો, પછી 33 વખત આવ્યું, તો 4th રેન્ક, 5th રેન્ક, 6th રેન્ક 3 આવ્યા, 3 ને પ્લસ કરવી divided by 3. My answer is what? 5. એટલે બધામાં મેં શું લખી નાખ્યું? 5. Okay, now 4, 5 and 6 rank has been given. Now next observation will be given 7th rank, that is 20, and 8th rank, that is to what? 10. Okay, હવે y first 80, then 60, second, then 40, third, then after 40 it is 28, fourth, then 20, but 20 is 2 times, so rank 5, rank 6, 5 plus 6 by 2, answer is 5.5. So I will write over here 5.5, 5.5. ફરીથી એક વખત 5.5 કેમ આવ્યું? rank 5th, rank 6th, 5 plus 6 divided by 2, so it is what? 5.5. Then next comes 7th rank to 15 and 8th rank to 12. Okay friends, next D is equal to Rx minus Ry. 1 minus 1, 0, minus 0.50, 8 minus 2, 6, 7 minus 3, 4, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 5 minus 5.5 minus 0.5, 3 minus 7 minus 4. This will be 0. Let's check it. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 9. Minus 9.5, minus 10. Plus 10, minus 10. So this is always 0. Sigma D no answer હંમેશા 0 જ થશે. બરાબર? Now B square 0 square 0, 0.25, 36, 16, 9, 4, 0.25, 16. 16 plus 4, 20, 29, 29 plus 16, 45, 45 plus 36, 51 plus 30, that is 81, 81.50. Let's check once again, friends. 36 plus 16, 52, 52 plus 9, 61, 65, 81, 81.50. That's correct. Okay, now see, calculation of CF. Observation, number of times repeated, and then m cube minus m divided by 12. Now, which observation was first repeated? Then observation 30. So 30, it is repeated how many times? 3 times. Okay. Then observation 20, it was repeated how many times? 2 times. 20s came how many times? 2 times. Okay. Now there is no other observation repeated. Now m cube minus m by 12. Here m is what? 3. 3 cube minus 3 divided by 12. 3 cube એટલે 27. 27 minus 3, 24. 24 by 12, 2. Then 2. 2 cube minus 2 divided by 12. Now 2 cube is what? 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 by 12. I can say it is 0.5. Now what is total of this? It is 2.50. Now R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus CF divided by n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into sigma d square is how much? 81.5 plus CF is how much? 2.5 divided by n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n is 8. 8 square is 64. 64 minus 1, 63. 1 minus 6 into 81.5 plus 2.5. I can say it is 84 divided by 8 into 63. 1 minus 6 into 84 divided by 8 divided by 63. I can say it is exactly 1. So my answer is what? 0. R is equal to 0. R is equal to 0 means what? There is lack of linear correlation between two variables x and y. There is no correlation between x and y. બરાબર છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ? તો આજના સેશનમાં આપણે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ રેન્ક કોરિલેશન ના ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યા અને એ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં તમને ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન આપ્યા હતા, એમાંથી તમે રેન્ક આપો છો, રેન્કમાંથી તમે d અને d² ગોતો છો. અને આપણે એવા પણ ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યા કે જેમાં ઓબ્ઝર્વેશનમાં ટાઈ હોય, એટલે કે ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન શું થાય છે? રિપીટ થાય છે. ત્યારે આપણે રેન્ક કેવી રીતે અલોકેટ કરવાના અને સીએફ કેમ ગોતવાનું એ આપણે સ્ટડી કર્યું. બરાબર છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ? એક્સરસાઇઝમાં રેન્ક કોરિલેશનના રિલેટેડ જે પણ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે એ હવે તમે એકદમ ઈઝીલી કરી શકશો. એટલે આ ક્વેશ્ચન નોટ ડાઉન કર્યા પછી રિલેટેડ એક્સરસાઇઝ જે છે એના રેન્ક કોરિલેશનના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ તમારે હોમવર્કમાં વર્કઆઉટ કરવાના છે. હું સી ઓજસ મહેતા ફ્રોમ સાર્થક ટ્યુટોરિયલ્સ. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.